Okay, so I thought I'd document this process. I'm going to be dyeing my hair. I got a couple boxes of this Mistick-Gray from Olive Young, and I thought I'd give it a try. Hopefully we'll be getting something around that kind of color. Yeah, let's see how my hair looks now. It's so bad. Okay, so excuse the hair. I've just brushed it out and it's very dirty, but as you can see, it's so brassy and gross. It's very gross. I don't like it at all. So hopefully that ash stuff is going to help it out. Before I started, I did a little test batch of hair to see if it would work. And it looks good. Okay, so we're done with the dyeing. I've taken off my top because I don't want it to get all full of dye. But yeah, this is the current situation. You know what? If it doesn't work out, I don't really care anymore. I've just done the parts that are really orange. I haven't done my roots. So hopefully that doesn't look so bad. I had a shower and I've washed everything out. I just put in a hair mask and I'm going to keep that in for like 20 minutes because my hair is really dry. We'll see how everything turns out later, but yeah, just waiting. Excuse the mess in the background, it's okay. I'm gonna take it off and have a look at the hair. Da-da-da. Oh my goodness. Ah! Oh my gosh, it looks so much better. Whoa. So I'm gonna style it and then I'll be back because I'm sure it's gonna look much different when it's dry. It looks really orange in the camera, I don't know why. But in real life it looks so good. Okay, here I'm back! Ready? I'm so happy, I'm so happy. All of the brassiness is all gone. It's no longer orange. It just looks like one full color and I'm so I'm so happy. Wow, it literally looks like my normal hair. This is my roots at the top.